GenStone, we went with the Kenai color. We don't have our wood beam in yet. We're waiting for that to still show up. But since the wood beam's not here, I can show you guys how it works over brick. Went to my local hardware store and got mason screws. I did 1 3/4 inch. It comes with the mason drill bit. Used a cordless hammer drill with the mason bit and impact, and they go on super easy. You just kind of barely start the hole, and then the screw goes right in there. It's super easy to cut, real easy to mock up since it is like tongue and groove or shiplap. We did do tile on the bottom and tile around the insert of the fireplace, just due to heat reasons because this is a wood burning fireplace. When we did have a fire, this was fairly warm. This did not get warm at all, so you don't have to worry about anything there. As far as install, just super easy, goes right together. Cuts, like I said, cuts really easy. Also came with a paint touch-up kit with obviously the different colors they used to paint this. You can see over here where I have not touched up yet, where what cut was, and I had touched up over here. So you can make it match really well. I just use crafting style paintbrushes. But I would highly recommend anybody to do this. It goes in fairly easy. It's not hard to work with, and it turns out really nice.